Good afternoon, Phelan area. We have a wildfire outbreak in Blue Cut Fire territory. Looks like it's somewhere up past the 138, maybe towards Wrightwood. Roughly 3 to 4 miles from Main Street, traveling through Sheep Creek, Wilson Ranch area. Get the word out. There's nothing yet online about this. I've seen one plane circling as an observation plane, and I've seen another fire plane that drops the red retardant, and I haven't seen that guy in about 5 minutes. It's gotten blacker and it's grown a little bit, so put the word out.